Yeah.
My legs don't.
This amazing aeroplane in all its fantastic light.
Yes.
Oh, listen at that.
In the aircraft on the far side of the airfield, Vulcan XM607. Coming back in towards us now, flown from the left-hand seat today by Kev Rubin. And then a tanker. She was saved for the display flight when the rest of the Vulcans were disbanded. She finally retired from RAF service in 1993. She bears the colours of all of the Vulcan squadrons, plus the Lincoln coat of arms on the fin with the panther's head of #1 group on the nose. After the Royal Air Force tossed her onto the scrap heap in 1993, one Dr. Robert Fleming felt that the RAF should preserve her, but they didn't. And the end result was the Vulcan to the Sky Trust, the start of a unique campaign to get her back into the air. A campaign that lived on a knife edge since its earliest days, and there have indeed been many near disasters, financially speaking, but always she seems to come through. She costs £2 million a year to run this aircraft. That's about £38,500 every week. That has to be raised. She's not paid for in any way by the taxpayer, the Royal Air Force or the government. She is entirely funded by help from industry and the great British people. So more about how you can help in a moment, but let's keep our eyes on the displays, because as she comes around this side, I think we'll see the bomb doors open. And inside the bomb bay that carried £21,000 of bombs, there are now the names of people who've contributed and who've paid to have their names inside that enormous bomb bay. He's the third member of the crew, and he is a man who works for Selex Galileo, and they've been enormously helpful to this whole project, so we're particularly grateful to them. You can tiptoe in when she wants to. The Americans use the core. It's so graceful that if you extend her length by about 1.75, you get the shape of Concorde, as she is a predecessor of Concorde.
No, it's fluffy! Now, sexy!
spiral climb was a very good idea, but if they hadn't got the air brakes out, she'd have been up to 10,000 feet by now, and we'd be losing sight of her. So they keep sky.org, Vulcan2thesky.org, and we'll just wait for Kev to come in before I tell you a couple of other things you could be doing.
Are you filming there?
Coming on into there again, that amazing maneuverability. Within a few hours of her very first flight back, plus effects charge. And about £4.50 of that is guaranteed to go to the Vulcan to the Sky Trust. So this is the end of the Vulcan display for today. Kev Ruben bringing the magnificent old lady. After 30 years of commentating, I have never seen an aeroplane that affects people as much as this one. Me included, as you may be able to tell.
You can see it.